All right, Carrot Kitchen, today we bake a cake. Let's gather everything we need. Just a little carrot from the wall. Don't worry, the kitchen will survive. Flour, eggs, sugar, and carrot. Now mix it nice and smooth. All right, mixer, wake up. Let's make this batter fluffy. Slowly, slowly. This pan is ready for the oven. Into the oven you go. Now bake into something wonderful. Ooh, that smell. Let's see if our carrot cake is ready. Perfect. Now comes the best part. Let's decorate this beautiful carrot cake. Perfect. Perfect. Fresh carrot cake from the Carrot Kitchen. Tea time! If you want more tiny cooking stories, don't forget to subscribe.